This is Jacob Rubenstein, managing partner of the Rubenstein Law Firm, primarily a family law firm. We are going to discuss again the beginning of the divorce process in the state of New York. Yesterday, we made 3 points. Number 1, do not share any strategy with your spouse. Number 2, figure out if divorce is absolutely necessary. And number 3, is your divorce going to be contested or uncontested? Well, the 4 steps we're going to talk about today are exactly the same, whether divorce is contested or uncontested. Number 1, have a conversation with your attorney about these 4 points. Number 1, child support. Number 2, child custody. That's obviously only if you have children. Number 3, alimony/maintenance. And number 4, equitable distribution, how the assets are divided up, and see what your lawyer thinks your chances are. Once that's done, talk to your lawyer, step 2, about serving your soon-to-be ex-spouse. Is it going to be difficult to serve them with papers? If it is, you have to strategize, because it's very difficult, because in matrimonial law, you have to serve the person directly, hand them the paperwork. If you cannot do that, you have to file for what's called alternative service, and judges can be real sticklers for that. So you want to figure out strategically if there's a way to serve your soon-to-be ex-spouse. Point number 3, the summons. The summons is something that you're going to send to the other side, and it's going to tell them exactly what they need to do. If they're in the state of New York, they have 20 days to respond. If they're outside the state of New York, they have 30 days to respond from when they got the papers. And the next thing is the complaint, which is going to tell them exactly what this suit is all about and what you're seeking. Do you want child support? Do you not want child support? Do you want the house? Do you not want the house? Do you want bills for the house? Do you not want bills for that? So all those kinds of things will go into a complaint. Now, if you're the defendant and you receive this, have the same conversation with your lawyer. Find out what the lawyer thinks about child support, child custody, alimony, equitable distribution. Have that exact conversation. And the most important thing I can tell you is respond. Because if you don't respond on time, whether it's 20 days or 30 days, you can get a default judgment against you, and this entire proceeding can happen without you, which is the last thing that you want to happen. So make sure that you show up and you respond. Have a great day.